Come test drive the 2016 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic sunroof, electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, tachometer, first aid kit, leather shift knob, cargo cover. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.